Liverpool, located in the northwest of the UK, is a vibrant and culturally rich city offering a unique blend of history, music and stunning architecture. Known as the birthplace of the Beatles, Liverpool has become a must-visit destination for music lovers from all over the world. One unique way to experience Liverpool is through the lens of a drone. Aerial photographs taken by drone offer a breathtaking view of this bustling city. From flying over iconic landmarks such as the Liver Building and Albert Dock, to stunning views of the River Mersey, aerial shots allow visitors to truly appreciate the beauty and grandeur of Liverpool. For those interested in Liverpool's history, there are plenty of museums and galleries to visit, including the award-winning Museum of Liverpool and the Tate Liverpool Gallery. Football fans can also feel the passion at Anfield Stadium, home to one of England's most successful football clubs, Liverpool. With a vibrant nightlife, bustling shopping districts such as Liverpool One, and an array of restaurants offering both traditional British and international cuisine, there is something for everyone in this lively city. Whether you're interested in exploring its rich musical heritage or immersing yourself in its cultural offerings, Liverpool promises an unforgettable traveling experience. From strolling along the picturesque waterfront to live music performances at renowned venues such as the Cavern Club, this city offers endless opportunities for exploration and entertainment.